Hi everyone. Next for speech and language therapy this week, I have a nature walk checklist. We could find on our core board the word walk. We could say time to walk, time to put on our shoes and go outside. I have 5 things for our nature walk checklist. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for number 1, a tree. When we find a tree, we could say, I see a tree. I see a tree. Next, number 2, a bird. When we see the bird, we could say, I hear a bird. You could also say, I see a bird too. Next, a rock. How about have a rock? We can pick up the rock. I have a rock. Or we could say, I see a rock. Look how many sentences we can make. Next, find a sign. Ooh, sometimes we can find a stop sign. There's many different kinds of signs, but when you find it, you can make a sentence. I see a stop sign. Next, or last, a bug. I see a bug. I see a bug. Talk about what else you might see about the bug. What color is the bug? Is the bug big or small? Is it shiny? Is it scary? Tell me, what do you find? What do you think about your bug that you found? I hope this is fun for you guys. Enjoy. Have a great day.